All right, what do we got here?
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna get real close so you guys can see me open this up.
A JBuds Mini hidden somewhere in here.
Hop on the pony and follow the path to discover some JLab treasures.
God, I love these guys so much.
Stop it!
If you guys haven't checked out their My Little Pony collab, this is the hidden treasure from that.
A treasure inside of a treasure. That's kind of poetic.
Mini JoJo Siwa.
Go on my keychain right now, JLab bottle opener.
We found the treasure.
JLab's Mini.
Look how tiny they are.
This matches my outfit.
These are. Play some black eyed peas like.
This is tiny. Oh my goodness.
I promise you, my hand is not that big. It's just, this is so tiny.
As always, I'm impressed.
Everything mini. Guys, size does not matter. Don't let anyone tell you different.
Call you later.